Hello, everybody. I'm a host of today's demo pitch. My name is Danila. I remind you that demo pitch is a trial pitch dedicated to make sure you're 100% ready to present your project in front of venture capital funds. Let me introduce you to LATOKEN Investment Committee representative, Sergey Kostrikov and Maxim Uslamin, who will provide you with the practical feedback highlighting the crucial points investors pay attention to. Let me emphasize two key aspects of a trial pitch session. First is timing. You have 5 minutes for a pitch. Second is structure. Your presentation needs to cover 10 crucial aspects: company purpose, problem, solution, why now, market size, competition, product, business model, team, and financials. Let me pass the floor to the first projects today, LATOKEN, being represented by Anthony Chang.
Okay. I'm Anthony Chang, CEO and founder of LATOKEN. Welcome at Be a Change with LATOKEN, Sustainability and Prosperity for All, Value Creation by Innovative Banking. Situation nowadays, we got extreme inequality. The richest 1% own more wealth than the rest of the planet.
Anthony, we don't see your presentation.
Oh, yeah. Can I will share my screen first, right? Share screen.
Yeah,
Better?
perfect.
Okay. Now, welcome at Be a Change at LATOKEN. Sustainability and prosperity for all. Value creation by innovative banking. Situation nowadays, we have a lot of sorry hoor. Jongens, ik zit in een presentatie. Ja, maar dit kan toch niet? Hey. Okay, sorry guys. The kids are here. I go on from here. We have got extreme inequality. The richest 1% own more wealth than the rest of the planet. What is even worse, 10%. What's even worse, 7 out of 10 people live off $10 or less a day. The world is unsustainable, caused by our monetary system. With interest, banks ask more money back than created. Forcing the economy to Mia. Hey. Sorry guys. I take a break here. I must talk with the kids because this is working for me.
Right.
Sorry.
Anthony. So we plan for the evening session then.
No, but I will do it. I talk to them one more time and then we try. I go on from where I started. Nee, dat zou ik echt niet leuk vinden. Ja? Kunnen jullie gewoon stil zijn? Kunnen jullie gewoon spelletjes spelen die erop staan?
You're mute.
Yeah. So, situation nowadays. World, there's extreme inequality. The richest 1% own more wealth than the rest of the planet. What's even worse is that 7 out of 10 people live off $10 or less a day. The world is unsustainable, caused by our monetary system. With interest, banks ask more money back as created, forcing the economy to focus solely on profit and unsustainable growth. Big enterprises, too big to fail, dominates markets, focus on low cost, causing ecological and social issues. Global trade harms developing countries' environment and create pandemics, like the coronavirus. The solution, the Bitcoin, created in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto. And we compare this with a rough diamond. The revolution started with the Bitcoin. It is a cryptocurrency denied, discredited, and banned by governments and banks and social media giants. And we are going to take the cryptocurrency into the next phase, to its full potential. The next phase, our polished diamond, the AUTOLOCAL platform. We are building a blockchain 3.0, built-in 1% fee for the cashback system, ERC 721 compatible for other projects to build a cryptocurrency, a cashback system. We have a multi-currency wallet. We got a marketplace in app with connected companies, and we got a coin design for a rising exchange rate. Our cashback system. The users buy AUTOLOCAL coins with 1% discount in app. They buy goods or services at at companies. When they buy at connected companies, they will receive a cashback once a month. The companies sell their coins at the exchange. This is also possible in the app. And we buy from the exchange with a smart trading algorithm, keeping a stable climbing price. We keep the coins for 1 month, and the profit of the rising value goes to the cashback system and to our operations. Market size. Now we are almost with 8 billion people on this planet, so we welcome all. We got 4,000 communities worldwide using their own cryptocurrencies. We're going to invite them. We got 1.7 billion adults unbanked. The competition is huge. Banks, governments, social media giants, other crypto projects. Most of them using a stable coin, stable to the dollar, so stable losing value, keeping the current problems alive. And no one having a unique cashback system. We already achieved the MVP 2.0. Some highlights I tell you from this list. For Android and iOS, we got 32,000 verified account holders. And at the right, you see already the images of our live version of our MVP 2.0. Connected companies are those companies work by the Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations, and companies working local to local. Our business model: users have a low transfer fee, cashback system, coin rising in value. AUTOLOCAL, we have the transfer fee of 1%. We got the market information from purchases, and we got profit from the rising exchange rate. Market adoption, we're going to use the affiliate marketing. Very familiar in the cryptocurrency world, not so in the not cryptocurrency world. We got exposure for connected companies in the app, already there. We got marketing campaigns. We're going to do marketing campaigns with connected companies. At the top right, I created a small one. Financial and investor. We now targeting 1 million investment for a stake of 24%. And we give out 25% of our L2L tokens. We also put a unicorn possibility in our numbers, as you see. Our management team, a very diverse management team, and this team is determined to redirect the global economy to a better way. Why invest now? We have the, if we want to make this blockchain revolution successful for the people, be part of this revolution and making a sustainable and prosperous world. Pandemics as the coronavirus telling us to do our business more local to local, and act now to make the Bitcoin revolution successful. And we have to do it, otherwise governments, banks and Facebooks will do it. The outcome will be worse than before the Bitcoin. Thank you and keep safe.
Thank you,
Anthony. So, well, it's a bit difficult to say what it was in timing. I tried to stop the timer when you stopped. I still think even if we leave out, you know, the interruptions, I think the structure is there, and with a bit of rehearsal, you will be able to be under 5 minutes. One thing probably, well, so basically a lot of improvements since last time you presented to us during the demo. One thing that I would probably do personally is...
Oh, you freeze.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I hear you.
Okay. So while you were finishing presenting, I also looked it up on the App Store, and I saw that it's already available. And probably I would put more emphasis on that, and I don't know, show more screens, and maybe like I don't know, show why your wallet is different, what are the features. Probably I would focus 30 seconds to a minute, you know, presenting the actual product and showing what's great about it. But all in all, yeah, the structure is there. The slides are much better now, and yeah, there was definitely improvement.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Point you, if you rehearse, you know, enough times, you're probably gonna have it in your head almost by heart.
Yeah.
At that point, it's gonna flow much better, and you're definitely gonna be within the 5 minutes time.
Yeah.
I don't know, Sergey, do you want to add anything to that?
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Anthony, for the presentation. My points would be this. Actually, I agree with Maxime, and I would also mention that I would make it a little bit shorter on why and problem, the first slide, just to briefly mention this.
Yeah.
Because it was spent a little bit more than I think should be. Then I would put a bit more detailed information in the competition, because you mentioned the general, like competition in general. But if you have, if you do know some companies who are doing developments in pretty much the same field, that would be great to compare and to show what is different, what is much better in your application. And on top of that, I would also put why you have a rising exchange rate. That would really help to understand. And also, like, the financials are shown well. I would just only suggest to highlight the
you're
investment
breaking up
offer.
for me.
So people pay attention particularly to that point.
Sergey, you
Okay.
the last sentence
better?
I did.
Yeah. Okay, I'll say it again if it works. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, now
Okay,
I can
so
hear you.
I would just, on the slide with financials, I would highlight the investment offer, so people kind of pay more attention to this one. Although you mentioned that and it was clear, but for me it was difficult to see where it is.
Where it is.
I paid attention to the left part of the slide, and I saw 1 million, but I didn't see 25%. But after that, I noticed that the 25% is on the right side. But by the time I noticed it, you went on already. So that's the point. Yeah, that's my suggestion, is to really highlight it and to point the attention of the viewers to that. Apart from that, I think that's pretty much it. And yeah, I think you just would need to rehearse a little bit more to be under 5 minutes, and all the rest is pretty much understandable for everyone, I see.
Okay, thank you, Sergey.
Thank you, Anthony.
Okay.
So
all right, so we would like to put the conclusion for today's demo pitch. Everything was clear for you, Anthony, in terms of feedback?
Yes, good feedback. Thank you.
Okay, thank you to LATOKEN Investment Committee. Thank you, Anthony, for joining our demo pitch session. For further steps, listing manager will provide you with the date and time of participation in the further pitch competition sessions. So I wish you good luck. I think it's a great time for you to take part in real pitch competition.
Yes.
And, take your chances in real game, so-called. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, guys.
I wish you a very good day.
Thank you, Anthony. Thank you, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Have a great day. Bye-bye.